Hey y'all, it's Paige Leanne, also known as iHeart Paige, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, definitely don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you won't miss out on any of these notifications, and let's get this started. Okay, y'all, so first of all, let me say that if I sound stopped up or stuffy or anything, I am sick. I have been sick for about a week now. I actually pre-recorded this video, which I was glad I did, but now I'm having to do a voiceover, and it is just all bad, y'all, so I'm going to get through this. So I'm just starting off by doing the double boiler method, and my bowl does have a chip in it. That's what I was showing, so disregard that. As well, I'm using oils that I think are good for my hair. That's one thing that I want to say. You can use these oils if you prefer to try them, but if you have oils that are staples for your hair and you know works well for your hair, I would definitely recommend just sticking to what you know, sticking to the basic. Don't just change up because somebody else is doing it. But if you are curious in trying these oils, go right ahead. I'm going to put them on the screen. And now I'm just using the regular shea butter, and I'm using the yellow shea butter, all natural. And I'm just letting it melt down. I'm going to end up adding a second scoop because I honestly just felt like the first one wasn't enough. And now I'm going to go ahead to my aloe vera plant. And I had this piece in the refrigerator from the last time that I did my hair with it. If you haven't went and seen that video, definitely go and check that out. And I'm just going to start by chopping off both of the ends. And I chopped off the one end because the coloration was a little bit like brown and I just wasn't feeling it, so I chopped it off. I'm going to save that other piece y'all see me just set aside. And of course, I'm just taking off the sharp sides. And then I'm going to end up peeling off one side of the aloe vera plant, just one side. I'm going to leave one side on, and then I'm going to chop it into small pieces. So I do have a few pieces that are still not melted with the shea butter, and that is completely fine. I'm going to go ahead and put my aloe vera face down on the side that I did peel off the skin. And so that's very important because you want to have that side making sure that all the nutrition is getting into the oil mixture. And I'm just going to let this sit. I added some more oil just to make sure that it's completely covered. And then I actually took it off the stove and let it sit to cool. And then I ended up putting it in another bowl and just mixing it around. I did push down on some of the sides of the aloe vera, and then I placed this in, I removed the aloe vera and I placed it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So this is how it looks after removing it from the freezer, and I'm just going to blend it really well. I do wish that I had blended it a little bit longer to get more of a smooth consistency. So that is one thing that I will say. If you're wanting really like a smooth texture, definitely blend longer than what I did in this video. Although this video is sped through, still just make sure that you're focusing on blending for a little bit extra time to get it really smooth. And now I'm just going to show y'all how it looks after I put it in my container, and it is still good. I've been using it on my hair, loving it, definitely locking in that moisture. I love the smell that it has and everything. You can add essential oils as well. I did not to this batch, but I may do it in a future batch. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Sharing is always caring. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.